Get this wrong and you're debugging deployment issues at 2 a.m. What it does. Deployment strategies in DevOps are methods used to release new versions of software into production environments. There are several strategies, including blue-green, Canary, and rolling deployments, each with its own approach to minimizing downtime and reducing the risk of errors. Command/example. Breaking it down. Each deployment strategy has its own approach to releasing new versions of software. Blue-green deployments involve creating a new environment for the new version and then switching traffic to the new environment. Canary deployments involve releasing the new version to a small subset of users and then rolling it out to the rest of the users if it is successful. Rolling deployments involve updating the software in small increments, usually one server at a time, to minimize downtime. In the blue-green deployment example, we create a new container for the new version of the application and then create an Nginx configuration file to route traffic to the new container. We then start the Nginx container with the new configuration. In the Canary deployment example, we create a Canary deployment YAML file that defines the deployment and then apply the YAML file using Kubernetes. In the rolling deployment example, we create a rolling deployment playbook that defines the tasks to update the web server and then run the playbook using Ansible. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly testing the new version of the software before releasing it to production. This can lead to errors and downtime. Another common mistake is not properly configuring the deployment strategy, which can lead to unexpected behavior. To fix these mistakes, it is essential to properly test the new version of the software and to carefully configure the deployment strategy. It is also essential to monitor the deployment and to be prepared to roll back to the previous version if there are any issues. Try this next. Try implementing a blue-green deployment using Docker and Nginx. Create a new container for the new version of the application and then create an Nginx configuration file to route traffic to the new container. Start the Nginx container with the new configuration and test the deployment. Pro tip. In production environments, it is essential to use a combination of deployment strategies to minimize downtime and reduce the risk of errors. For example, you can use a blue-green deployment to release a new version of the software and then use a Canary deployment to roll it out to a small subset of users. You can also use a rolling deployment to update the software in small increments, usually one server at a time. By using a combination of deployment strategies, you can ensure that your software is always available and that you can quickly recover from any issues that may arise.